there, I'm back, and I hope you enjoyed my little trip to the Brecon Beacons National Park. I went there on Saturday and it was so cool. We went on a walk to the park to watch the waterfalls and they were so amazing. I missed like going to that environment so much. It has been some years since I went on a walk on those types of places and it was really awesome. The waterfalls were huge and amazing and it was so cold. It was really cold because that's on a like mountain area, so it's really cold, colder than anything I've experienced before. But we were walking and all of that experience was so awesome that it really didn't matter. The path was super muddy, full of rocks and roots from the trees, and I was like so tired, my feet were hurting so much, but it was such a cool experience that it was all worth it. In the end, my pants and my boots were full of mud. I was all wet. My knees, especially my left one because I have bad knees, they were hurting a lot, but hey, I couldn't care less because I went to a really awesome place and it's gonna be a memory I'll cherish forever because I really liked it. Then we came back, we got on the bus to come back to Cardiff, and I slept almost the whole way because I was really so tired. Then I got home and I was really so exhausted. I just went to like take a shower and that was it. My day was finished by then. And that was on Saturday. And today is Thursday, so yeah, I didn't film anything else the whole week because my cold got worse as well after that trip. So the whole week my knees have been hurting, my cold was worse, so I've been either or in bed resting, full of medication, or working on my essays, or in college. I had a really tough week after that trip and I'm really sorry for that, but at the same time I didn't really do anything, so it wasn't worth filming anything else. But I am feeling better now, so I decided to turn on the camera and talk to you guys a little bit and tell you all about my experience and my week. And yeah, as always guys, thank you so much for watching this. You are really awesome and I really appreciate it very much. You guys are amazing. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I hope you enjoyed my little trip to the Brecon Beacons waterfalls, and if you want to keep watching new vlogs every Friday, just subscribe to this channel on that subscribe button right there. Also check out my main channel. I'm gonna leave all the links to my channel and to my social media if you want to follow me there as well, so go there, check it out, and yeah, I would really like to see you there, and I hope I see you on my next video. So until then, bye bye. I did go to the university store and I got this, a Cardiff University mug. It's so cute and it has like the dragon on the back. It's really nice. I don't know about you guys, but I'm crazy for mugs.
Listening to the evil of all Skyrim's foes. Beware, the dragonborn come.